Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to pass the data from the unrelated components. See, last session we saw how to pass from the parent to the child and child to the parent components. Today, how to pass to the component which is not related. See here, my requirement is I have admin and user. I am passing some announcement admin, so user will receive and he can command to the admin. So that is the goal. Okay, so once the message is received to the user can confirm that message. So this is what we are going to achieve here. Okay, here I am going to use the service for that to achieve it. Okay, let's go on. Don't waste much time. Okay, so this is, if you shortly see, this is the component and the admin component which is empty now, and the user component which is empty currently. Okay, in the HTML just I added the admin, and I am calling the user component over here. Okay, so now the thing is, so I am the admin. Okay, so admin have a set of users, so that I will declare here. Okay, Kumar, John, Trump. Okay, cool. So now, so this is my user component, but I going to generate this as a dynamic based on the users. So here I have 3 users, so I am repeating my template reference to the, I am just looping and going to create the 3 user component in dynamic. Okay, let's use ng for okay. So users correct name we define. Okay, cool. So now the front end, so it won't be work. Okay, that's fine, because so now if I for loop, so it won't be matter that the user won't receive any input, because this is static value, so it's representing. Okay, cool. So in the user component I try to accept the input parameter here, as this we discussed already. Okay, user, this is type string. Okay, cool. Okay, so we pass the input here, user equal to user, ng4, and since it's not a known property for the app user. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's change to off. Okay, cool. Let's compile, then let's see. Yep, cool. So now so we have the user. Okay, let's make bit a difference so that it won't be confused anywhere. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, users. Okay, cool, fine. So now admin will send some message to the user will receive the message and user will reply, so that can be captured to the admin. Okay, so that is what the process now. So yes, let's go and build that things. Okay, so let's go and create the service. Okay, we call it as something like admin service dot ts. Okay, okay, and let's export class admin service. Okay, so this is injectable. Okay, so now in the service we need the three things. One is the admin announced method, and once the user confirmed, so we need the method to update the data to the admin. Okay, so let's go and create the source. Okay, and the source, and what else is it? We need one more property. We need to listen whether your source is updated, then it has to be observed and it has to subscribe to your admin and the users. Okay, let's go and create the method, then I will explain it clearly. So its type is subject. Okay, subject string type. Okay, so two property, one is announced and user confirmed. Okay, then the another two property which I am going to create is just admin. Okay, to variable which is admin announced, and okay, this what it is going to do is this dot as observable. Okay, so it will, so observable, as you know, so it will listen whenever that object is updated. Okay, cool. Then just the variable called user confirm. This dot user confirmed source observe. Okay, so this property will listen in the components. Cool. Then the another method which is to announce and for the confirm. Okay, so admin announce source dot next the message. Okay, So once announced, so that message will be absorbed by this variable, that we can call it to the user. Okay, the same likewise. Confirm. Okay, user confirm message string this dot user confirm source dot next message. Okay, so cool. So now our service is ready. Now we need to inject this into the two components. Let's go and do that. So let's start with admin. Okay, let's go and create the constructor. Private. Okay, the same thing I just add it over here, so we can integrate the namespace. Okay, and the provider. Okay, so in the admin, so we need to consume once the user confirmed, so it has to be displayed over here, and if admin announced, all the users has to notify that. Okay, so here the another one thing is as the user, so in user level we need to subscribe the service as, because there is a problem with the memory leak got, so for memory leak, so we're going to subscribe, and once our app is closed, so we are calling the destroy. So whenever the garbage collector, so ng on destroy, destroy the service. Okay, that's fine. So let's go and write the program for the admin. Okay, okay, so admin dot user confirm dot subscribe. User message with that. Okay, so here once the user message got, we need to going to display the data. So let's go and create the another property, which is okay, we call it as history. Okay, it's a type string. Okay, we passing the message string object, and yeah, the default value, it's array. Okay, string array. Okay, fine. So here let's push that history dot confirmed. Okay, so this message, okay, so same thing in the admin, we call it as something like a log, log li ng4 history. Okay, so now whatever the log, it will be displayed over here. The same thing which is we're going to do for the user as well. That's fine. Let's finish up the admin. So admin, so we subscribed whenever the users confirm. Okay, so before that, so first our goal is to admin has to announce something, right? That is our goal. So we call it as button. Okay, on click, so we call it a message called announce something. Okay, we call it as announce message. Cool. So let's go and create the function in the admin. Okay, let's put it here. So admin TypeScript where, okay, so just call this dot admin service dot admin announce. Okay, so message is something we can, okay, so we call it as message announced. Okay, admin message announced, we just keep such a thing. Cool. Fine. Then we push it the same thing to the history also, so that we get the notification, the same message. So we are pushing to the history as well. Cool. So let's go and check it out the front end. Okay, so let's go announce. See, so first log is added. See, so admin is keep announcing. So now what the user once received the mission, okay, they will tell, okay, I got the message. Cool. So let's go and just copy the same. Okay, or let's go, okay, let's go and first create, already we have the things. So fine, cool. So now we create one more, as I said earlier, the user the memory leakage problem. So we just call this service operations, which is the subscribe operation in the subscription. So yeah, subscribe. Okay, okay, this dot subscription equal to, so here admin service. So here what, once the admin announced, okay, so we are subscribing the admin announced. Once that's announced, okay, admin message, Okay, so once the admin message is announced, so we are binding that message to the users. Okay, currently no announcement. Okay, then this dot message equal to what are the admin message, it going to be updated here. Cool. So cool. So now once the admin calling announced, okay, so once the admin is okay, where is our admin TypeScript? So once my announce button clicked, so admin will be announced. Okay, so that message will be added in the admin source, so that will be absorbed by the admin announce. So once announced, that message will be, we are subscribing in the users. Okay, that we going to display here. Okay, we call it as again h3 announcement. Okay, so message. Cool. Fine. So currently there is no announcement. So once my announcement happens, so it is updating here, and it's supposed to be updated no announcement yet. Okay, let's see why this is not happening. Okay, let's check that. So before that, let's implement on destroy as well. Subscription dot unsubscribe. Okay, so better we just remove this code stuff. Okay, only we pass the value there. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, so my log is getting added, but its announcement is not updating here. Okay, cool. Okay, 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 so let's finish off the complete things. Okay, so here I will going to add another button, the user where click. confirm user, okay, or confirm by user. Okay, let's go and create that method. Okay, this dot admin service dot user confirm. Second, sorry, the user confirm source. Sorry, yeah, user confirm. So there we can pass the message. Okay, so the user is confirmed. Okay, okay, so once user confirmed, okay, we can call it directly here because that message I completely added there. Okay, cool. Let's now check so which are the things are working on which are. Okay, the button, got message. Okay, fine. So first step is once announce message, so log is happening, but for user it's not updating. Okay, so let's try get got message. So got message, so also it's not updating. And is it any error we are getting? No. Okay, fine. So let's try to rerun the application again, so that if any kind of issue, so maybe it is any build error. Okay, build is happening successfully. Let's save the application again. Okay, so announce message, still I'm not getting it. Okay, let's figure out what is the problem now. So okay, so fine. So I created new providers which is declared because my parent which we declared already, so this only provide the instance of the admin service. Okay, that is the one issue. Okay, let's check now whether it's happening now. Okay, one thing is I found. Yeah, cool. So now things are happening now. Okay, once log is, so admin message is announced. See, all the child got the message now. Okay, let's Kumar is replying, got the message. Okay, So once Kumar click that message, it has to be updated here, but it's not happening. Okay, so what will be the issue? So admin message announced, so 2 times admin only announced, so it's updating. So even we refresh the page, so from service instance, so all the user can able to subscribe and can able to listen the admin message in all the components. So we facing issues, got message. Okay, is there any console error? Okay, there is no console error. Okay, so let's try now. Okay, sorry, simple mistake. Okay, cool. So this time, so announce message, so message is getting delivered, and Kumar I am clicking. See, Kumar is confirmed. So next Trump. See, Trump is confirmed, and then John. Okay, John also confirmed. Okay, cool. So log is listened by the admin, and the user listening the admin messages. So once the user sent the announcement message, all the user will get notified. Okay, because they are subscribing the services, and even admin is also subscribe the service of the user's message. So hopefully understand. So what we did is, so we created the parent admin component and the child is the user component, where we created a number of users by looping. Okay, that I am passing to the child the different form of inputs. Okay, and then our logic is to, so admin announcing some message where user will get notified whenever admin announces the message. Okay, so once the admin from the parent component he announced, so all the child components receiving the message. Okay, once he received the message, he can send the message. Okay, still we can try meaningful. Okay, so what is the thing is, okay, we call it as is announced, is announced, something like that. Default we can set it to false. So once we got the admin message, this dot announce equal to true, and once I confirm the message, let it go false. Okay, so here in the button, is announced. Okay, if announcement is true, then enable this button, otherwise disable it. Okay, cool. See, now all the button got disabled because there is no announcement came, so no user can't able to send any message. So once the admin is announced, see, okay, so then John is replying. See, once John is confirmed, so he is again disabled, and Kumar is confirmed, then it's disabled. Trump is confirmed, it is got disabled. Hopes you understand how to use the service, and it's kind of a singleton instance where I can serve to the children objects, so a number of child objects that you can serve and get the notification from the parent or from the child. Hope you understand. Watch my previous video, and I used some different techniques to pass the data input, and how to pass from the parent to child, child to the parent. Okay, so and also how to access the component instance from the another components. So it will be interesting topic, so you can check it out my Angular 2 tutorial playlist, where in my previous video you get that. Thanks for watching the videos. If you are new user, you didn't subscribe before my channel, please go and subscribe, so you get regular regular update on whatever I uploaded the new videos.